Mary's Closet is advertised as a trendy women's fashion boutique with stylish outfits and attractive prices. But the real question is a legit store or another risky online fashion site? Here's what the evidence actually shows. What it claims to be. At first glance, Mary's Closet looks like a typical online boutique offering. Dresses, tops, and seasonal fashion discounted prices, a clean, modern shopping site. Nothing unusual, but the trust signals are where things break down. Major red flags. 1. Extremely low trust scores. Trust score 0, 13 out of 100, very high risk. Labeled as untrustworthy, risky, danger. That's one of the strongest warning signs you can get. 2. Very new website. Domain created February 2026, only a few months old. Legit boutiques usually have a longer track record and customer history. 3. Hidden ownership details. Owner identity is completely hidden. Lack of transparency is a common trait of scam or disposable stores. What you can realistically expect. If you order from Mary's Closet, you might receive something, but there's a high risk of wrong or low-quality items, long shipping delays, no proper refund support, or no delivery at all. So, is Mary's Closet real or fake? Short answer, very likely a scam or highly unreliable store. It's a real website, but shows multiple strong scam indicators. That combination means it's not fake, but definitely not reliable either. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.